Welcome to Microdac, and what I want to do today is to show you a very easy, foolproof way to cook rice, other than using a rice cooker, which is the best way of all. Just put the rice and the water in by following the instructions and voila, you have rice. But this is another way, a way that works for me. Needless to say, your brand of rice is entirely up to you. I happen to like jasmine rice. My easy way, you get 2 cups of water or 2 mugs of water. Whatever container you use, be consistent. So you add the 2 cups of water into a pot with a lid. The lid is extremely important. By the way, my way of cooking rice is in adding the 2 cups of water, I don't add anything else at all to the rice. Then you want to put your stove on high because you want to bring your water to a rapid boil. One of the reasons why I don't like to add stuff to the water is because you can always add salt later. The same size container used for the water is what you should use to measure your 1 cup of rice. Maybe what I should have said is the 1 container of rice, because it's really a ratio problem. Anyway, once the water starts to boil, you add your 1 container of rice to 2 containers of water. Stir once. Make very sure that the water is boiling again, and then you put your lid on your pot. Don't peek. Leave the lid on your pot. Now you want to do 2 very important things. 1, set your timer for 30 minutes and go find something to do. Then of course you want to set your stove to the absolute minimum with the lid on your pot. Don't peek. Leave the lid on for the full 30 minutes. Aren't those patterns interesting? So what do you do for 30 minutes? Anything you want, really. Your heat is on absolute minimum. Your timer is set for 30 minutes. So there you go. So at the end of 30 minutes, you fluff up your rice, and then you turn off your stove, and then put the lid back on and just do whatever you want to do. Your rice will be ready. Being a simple person, I like to eat my rice in a simple way. With real butter, that's right, real butter, and with a little bit of soy sauce. Real butter with soy sauce. Bon appetit!